Good morning, children. Today we will be discussing part 3, area related to circle. In last class we have seen the formula area of a sector. What is area of a sector? Area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Today we will be working out 5 more problems related with this formula. See the question, first one. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 cm, find area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Here you can see when an umbrella is open, we can see 8 equally shaped space. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 portions we can see. They are equal and each one is a sector. Each one of these are sectors and length of this rib is given, that is radius equal to 45 centimeter from center to the circle. So it is 45 centimeter and actually we know 360 is the total angle here and this total angle 360 is divided into 8 equal parts. So let us write each one, that is radius of the circle equal to radius of circle, it is given as 45 centimeter. Then angle of sector we have to write angle of sector. They haven't mentioned, so we are finding it 360 degree is divided equally into 8 portion. So 360 degree by 8. So when we cancel, we will be getting it as 45 degree. 8 4s are 32 comes, then 30. Okay, so 5 times 8 4s are 32, then 40 comes, 8 5s are 40. So 45 degree it is. Now area sector formula. So the question is find area between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. That is, if you are taking two ribs, 1, 2, what is the area between this? Or if these are the two ribs, what is the area between this? That means area of one sector we have to find out. Area of sector formula, area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. As pi is not mentioned here, or in the beginning they have given pi is equal to 22 by 7. So here we are going to find out area of sector. Let us mark this area A, this center O we will mark, and this is B. This area we are going to find out, this area. Okay, so this area, that is area of sector Aob we can consider, that is equal to theta by 360. Theta we have found out, it is 45 degree. 45 degree by 360 into pi r square. 45 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into radius, it is written 45 into 45. So now we have substituted all the values, we will be dividing it. Okay, so by 5 we can divide, 9 5s are 45, here by 5, 7 5s are 35, 10 comes, 2 5s 10, so 9 by 72. Now with the 9 we can cancel 9 one time, 9 8s are 72, with 8 we have cancelled. Now difficult to cancel, so we are going to multiply 22 into 45 into 45. Just do the calculation, multiply, you will be getting 44,550 divided by 7 8s are 56 we are getting. So now we have to do the division. Do the division, get the answer. You are going to get it as 795.54 cm square. Do the calculation yourself in the working column. Do the division. You can check your division. 44,550 divided by 56, 7 times. 7 times 56, 392. Then you are subtracting, you are getting 5, 3 here. 5 comes down. 9 times 9 into 56, 504. Subtract, getting 31. Bring 0 down. So 5 times 56 into 5, 280. Subtract, you are getting 30. Give the decimal and give zeros. So it will be 5 times. 5 into 56 is 280. You can stop it there, or you can have one more decimal number, that is 4 times it will be. Just multiply and get the answer. Now comes your second question. You can see your second question. So that's also very simple. Just go through this. Okay. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. So one wiper I have shown in the figure. Two wipers will be there in front. We can see that. So they do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter. So that itself is called as a radius from center to the circles. So it is 25 centimeter, sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So this blade will be moving here and there. So it will be moving in this manner, so that it is making an angle 150 degree. So this blade moves to left and it goes to right. So 115 degree angle, this area is swept by the blade. It's moved like this. So again coming back, then moving like this. So it is sweeping an area 115 degree angle. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So first we will find out area swept by one blade, then area swept by two blade. So into 2. How do we do that? The same. It is a sector, we know. Sector formula here we have to use. Theta is given to us. Theta 115 degree. And radius is given to us. That is length of blade 25 centimeter. Therefore, area of sector. Here if you want you can mark it as AOB. Area of sector AOB. Area of sector AOB equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So now let us substitute the values. Here you can substitute theta given as 115 degree divided by 360 degree into 22 by 7 into r square, 25 into 25. Here also you can cancel. By 5 we can cancel. 5 2 times 10. Remainder 1, 15. Okay, 3 5s 15. 23 you are getting. Here 360 by 5. 7 5s are 35. Then comes 10. 2 times 72. Okay. Then 72 with this even number you can cancel. By 2 we are getting 11. Here we are getting 36 dividing by 2. Now we have to multiply and get the value. We are simply calculating. This is equal to 23 into 11 into 25 into 25 divided by 36 into 7. So here we have the value 1 lakh. So here you will be getting it as 1,58,125 divided by 36 into 7. So this is the area swept by one wiper, and therefore we have to find out what is the area swept by two wipers. Therefore first we will write area swept by one wiper. That's equal to this area 1,58,125 divided by 36 into 7. Next step we will multiply. Okay, therefore area swept by 2 wipers. Area swept by 2 wipers. Area swept by 2 wipers. We have to write it as 2 into 1,58,125 divided by 36 into 7. So here again you can cancel even number by 2. It is 18 times. So 1,58,125 divided by 18 into 7. You multiply, you will be getting it as 126. Do the division and you will be getting it in cm square. Your answer is 1254.96 cm square. Do the calculation in the working column, get the answer. Here you can see the calculation how it is getting divided. 1,58,125 divided by 126. You can see the calculation. Here 1 time 126, subtract 32 you are getting, 1 remainder, 2 times 252, subtract 69. So now 2 you are bringing down 692, 5 times 630, subtract 62, bring down 5, 4 times 504. Okay, so 121 remainder, put the decimal and give 0. You are getting it 9 times. So 1134. Subtract 76 you are getting. You can add a 0 as the decimal is given. So 6 times. So you are getting 756. So with in 2 decimal you can wind up your answer. Next we are moving on to third question. Here you have the third question. To warn ships for, you can see the third question. Okay. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So here the distance to which light is spread is given as 16.5 kilometer. So we can consider it as the radius. From the source the light is getting spread and it is at a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Okay, so radius is 16.5 kilometer and formation of angle here is 80 degree. It is spreading a red light. So we have to find out the area of the sea over which the ships are warned, to which the light is spread. That is the meaning. So how to get that? So radius we have to write first. Radius equal to 16.5 kilometer. Okay. So area will be coming in kilometer square. If the radius is in centimeter, centimeter square will be the area. If it is in meter, meter square is area. Here radius is 16.5 kilometer, therefore area will be in kilometer square. Now angle of sector. Angle of sector equal to theta, we can say that is 80 degree. Now we are going to substitute in the question in the formula, that is required area. Required area means as it is said in the question, required area or area of the sea over which the ships are warned, that's equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here pi value is given to us, that is 3.14. Let us substitute 80 divided by 360 into 3.14 into radius 16.5 into 16.5. Okay. So we have to cancel now. We can cancel it by 4. 0, 0, that is 10 by 10 over 4 2 times 4. How many times? Isn't it 9 times? Okay, so we can cancel, or it's difficult to cancel, so better you can have multiplication of the numerator. 2 into 3.14 you have to multiply into 16.5 into 16.5. Multiply, get the answer 1709.73 divided by 9 you are getting, that's equal to 189.97. As I told you, area will be in kilometer square. Do the division, get the answer. Here you can see the division, 1709.73 divided by 9. How do we get that? So first we have to divide it 17 by 9 only one time. 9 comes. Subtract 8, 0. 9 8s are 72. Subtract 8 you are getting 9. 9 9s 81. Subtract 8. After decimal, 7 you have to bring down, 9 9s 81, 6 you have to bring down, then 3, so 9 7s are 63. So you are getting the answer 189.97 kilo. These are all textbook questions we are discussing. This question is also from textbook. Take the correct answer in the following. Area of sector of angle P. Angle is given as P instead of theta. In degrees of a circle with radius R. Radius capital letter R. So we know area sector, we have to find out. Area sector formula. Area of sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So here r square means radius given as capital R. So instead of theta, angle is given as P. P by 360 into pi r square. So we have to match the same with the A, B, C and D. Which one is better? Which one is equal to this? So let us check with the first one. It is 2 pi r, they have given no r square, so we are not considering this. Second one, pi r square is there, but p by 180, this is p by 360, we cannot. P by 360 is there, but it is 2 pi r, whereas it is pi r square. Now here there is a chance we can see. Here isn't it equal to the 720 and 2 can be cancelled, so that you are getting it equal to, that is P by 720 into 2 pi r square is fourth option. Let us cancel and get the answer. Here it become P by 360 into pi r square. P by 360 into pi r square. So option D is our correct answer. So we have to write answer D, P by 720 into 2 pi r square. Okay. Here we have a simple question. Fifth one. In figure there are shown sectors of two concentric circles of radii 7 cm and 3.5 cm. So this sector is a part of two concentric circle. Here we have a circle and another circle, concentric circle. We have a part of it is shown here. Sectors of two concentric circles is shown in the figure. Those circles are having radii 7 as well as 3.5. So the longer one is 7, OB. That is part of the outer circle. OB is 7 and OD is 3.5. Okay. We have to find the area of shaded region. This red shaded region we have to find out. So how to get that? Here you can see a sector OAB. OAB sector we have, this is the bigger sector, and OCD is the smaller sector. Both are having same angle 30 degree, but radius is different. How to get this white area? That is, actually we know how to get the white area. This is the smaller area, theta by 360 into pi r square, smaller sector. Whereas how to get this OAB sector? Theta by 360 into pi r square, where radius will be different and angle will be same. In order to get this portion, what we have to do? From bigger sector, we have to subtract smaller sector. Bigger sector, that is OAB sector minus OCD sector. That's how we are getting this shaded area. So we have to write shaded area equal to area of sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. Okay. So OAB, for this general formula, theta by 360 into pi r square is our formula. So here we are going to substitute according to the question. How do we do that? Just give the values. That is, theta is 30 degree by 360, pi value 22 by 7 into r square. So of sector OAB we are considering OAB sector's radius, that is OB. OB is 7. So radius square means 7 square minus area of sector OCD. OCD sector area, that is again same theta by 360, pi same for both, okay, into radius of OCD. OCD radius is OD or OC. It is the same. You have to write it as 3.5 square it is. So let us see the common. We can take the common outside. That is 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 we can take out from both. Here we have, here also. We are left with the 7 square minus 3.5 whole square. Okay. So how to calculate? Now this is equal to, we can divide it, 10 getting cancelled, 3 one time, 3 one time, 3 two time. 1 by 12 comes. Then again you can cancel. If it is 12 dividing by 2, here we are getting 6, here it is 11. So 11 by 6 into 7. Okay, 6 and 7 here we can have 6 into 7 into 7 square minus 3.5 square. This is like a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b, 7 plus 3.5. What is 7 plus 3.5? Isn't it 10.5 into, this means into a minus b, 7 minus 3.5. Is it 3.5 itself? So here we have to calculate. We can divide it by 3 again. 3 2 times. 3 3 is 9. 1 remainder 15 comes. 3 5 is 15. Give the decimal. So 3.5 here we have. So what is the answer? 11 into 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. Again 3.5 and 7 can be cancelled. 3.5 one time. 3.5 two time. 3.5 is 3 and a half. 3 and a half, 2 times is 7. So here we have numerator only 3.5 divided by 2 2s are 4 into 11 is also there. 11 into 3.5 divided by 2 2s are 4. What is 3.5 into 11? Do the multiplication. Multiplication is simple. So you do yourself 38.5 divided by 4. So do the division, get the answer 38.5. 38.5 divided by 4. How many times? 9 4s are 36. 2 comes. Give the decimal. Bring down. How many times it comes? 6 4s are 24. 1 remainder. You can give a 0. 4 2s 8. 2 comes 20. 4 5s 20. So our answer This is equal to 9.625 cm square. 9.625 cm square is the area, that is the shaded region. With this we are completing this. Bye children.